Introduction. Hey there, awesome kids. Welcome back to our super fun learning adventure. Today we are going to discover the magical world of adjectives. What are adjectives? Hold on tight because we're about to learn about something really cool. Adjectives are words that add flavor and excitement to the things we talk about. Tell us more about how something looks, feels, smells, sounds, and tastes. Descriptive adjectives. Check this out. Descriptive adjectives help us paint pictures in our minds. Imagine a cuddly bear. But if we say a fluffy cuddly bear, it's like giving a bear a super cozy hug. Colors and shapes. Guess what, explorers? Adjectives can tell us more about color shapes too. Imagine a balloon. Now let's call it a big red balloon. Whoa, that doesn't make it even more exciting. Sizes and numbers. Hold on tight because here come the sizes and numbers. If you have 3 tiny kittens, it's like having a bundle of cuteness times 3. Fun actions and adjectives. Let's play a game. We can make sentences super fun by adding adjective. Jump on the bouncy green trampoline. Who's up for a bouncy adventure? Let's get creative now. Are you ready to become word artists? Let's create our own magical sentence. Think about your favorite food, toy, animal, and adjective to make it even cooler. For example, the sparkly blue sea waves crash against the sandy shore. Now it's your turn to make a sentence and send me in the comments below. Be an adjective detective. Calling all adjective detectives, look around your room, your playground, and even out the window. Can you spot things that you can describe using adjectives? Share your findings in the comment below. Conclusion. Let's come back to the conclusion now. And just like that, we have embarked on an amazing adjective adventure together. Remember, adjectives are like colorful stickers that make our words pop and sparkle. Thanks for joining us on this exciting journey of learning. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep using those fantastic adjectives. Stay connected and keep learning with us. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share the adjective fun with your friends. Until next time, see you, bye.